Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to have text and images or pictures read aloud on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone or basically any modern Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the settings gear button here. So go ahead and select that. And then you want to scroll down and select the accessibility tile on this page. And then you want to go underneath where it says display. Go ahead and click on the select to speak button. So if you want to allow the select to speak shortcut be enabled on your device, you go ahead and toggle it on. And then you would select allow. And then once you're highlighting over text that's applicable, you click the little microphone button in here, and then it would allow you to begin playing the audio. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.